Perfectly pulled pork in 2 minutes. First off, dice or mince a cup of any type of onion and put it in a bowl. Secondly, dice or mince half a cup of garlic and put it into the same bowl. I am using a 2 kilogram or 4.4 pound pork shoulder slab. Use your favorite seasoning salt. It works best if you put the pork shoulder into a large bowl. If you're doing what is shown here, your counter and floor will get quite messy. After you've completed the salty step, get your favorite barbecue sauce and pour it on top of this meaty creation. Takes about half a bottle for the sauce to start flowing down the sides. It doesn't hurt to finish it off with a bit more salt. Use your favorite soda to enhance the flavor. A&W root beer, Coca-Cola, and Dr. Pepper are all succulent choices. If you have a smaller slow cooker, use about 2 cups. If you got one that's large like this one, then 3 to 4 cups will do. Carbonation sizzle. Top it off with your chopped onions and garlic and put the lid onto the slow cooker. Cook it for 10 hours on the low setting. After about an hour, your house will start to smell delicious. It's more than likely fully cooked around 8 hours, but it's always good to check the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Give it several good stabs with the fork. You will know it's done visually when it pulls apart with no effort. Use a pair of tongs to put your nearly pulled pork into a plate to commence the final step. You might need 2 or more large plates to start the pulling apart procedure. Use a knife or another fork to hold it in place, and the other fork to start shredding your delicious creation. Try a piece out and let me know how it tastes. Subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.